don't you just put the whole bucket in front of your face?
Like this?
Yeah.
What's poppin', you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hazel XXIs and I'm back again with another video. Today's video, you guys can see the mess on the bed. Today's video is going to be me making my Lash Aftercare bags. If you guys do not know, I am a lash technician. My lash name is the Lash Cartel. I'm going to leave the Instagram right here, baby. I am a new lash tech. I got certified on March 9th. I got certified in volume September 18th. So yeah, I'm still new to the game. Slowly growing my business, and I'm about to make my aftercare bags now because I just ordered all my shit. This is gonna be a 2-day process because my lip wands and stuff don't come in until tomorrow, but I got my business cards and my little containers today. So we're gonna just go ahead and get started on this. But before we get into the actual process and the items I'm gonna be putting in my bags, I want you guys to I want you guys to comment, and I want you guys to, more than anything, subscribe. I'm gonna give you guys a couple seconds to do that. Look at my socks. Did you do it? Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and get started in this video. All right, y'all, so I have so much stuff around here. So first we're gonna start off with my bags. I don't know how many are in here, but I got these off Amazon, and these are like big dime bags, I guess you could say. These are Ziploc ones, and you can either like pull this back, or you can just open them like this and put everything in. And then I got my lash wands. These are the ones that I've been using. I didn't order extras, so I'm gonna order some of these tonight. 2 of these are gonna go in there, and then I also have my, oh no, let's not do that one yet. And I also have this Amazon order. These are my jars for my lash shampoo. So yeah. And continuing with the pink theme, 50 of these and 3 milliliters. And then I'm gonna use Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo for these, and this should last. This should fill up the whole thing because it's 200 milliliters in these. And finally, I have my business cards. I'm so excited. Right now I'm walking around my kitchen, y'all, so it's a lot going on right now. I open it. Oh yeah, putting all my business out there. Dang. Hey, sure I won't go open these. Okay, you guys. Give me a drum roll. That was a whack drum roll. Whoa, 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 whoa. These are my business cards. And then I'm gonna hide my phone number. So this is the top of my business card, and then at the bottom it just has my what's it called? My Instagram name, my Instagram ad. So I'm going to put all of these in the baggies also, and then also in the bag, I actually need to clean these. I'm going to clean these now, actually. Yeah, I need to clean the thingies, the containers, the little jars. What was I saying? And then tomorrow when my lip wands come in, I'm also gonna put lip wands in the bags. So yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all, so I just packaged these. It's like little packages everywhere. Like, I don't even want to make it, but it's a lot. It's like 100 of these. I think it's 100 packages. Right now, all I have in here are 2 business cards and 2 lash wands. I ran out of lash wands, so I had to use the ones that I keep on my cart. So yeah, and I also had to just place an order for more lash wands because literally these are all I have left, period. So place that order. That's coming on Wednesday. Now I'm about to fill up these little jars full of Johnson Johnson baby shampoo. If y'all don't know, you can use baby shampoo to wash your lashes, since it is, like, you know, sensitive on your eyes or whatever. If you don't have like the official lash shampoo, really truly is all the same thing. All you need is distilled water. You don't even have to use distilled water. Some people use baking soda in theirs. I never did all that shit. I just used baby shampoo. So yeah, y'all, about to get into that. Let's go. All right, y'all. So I'm done. I just packaged 100 Aftercare kits, and this is how they look right now. So my 2 business cards, 2 lash wands, and a jar, 3 milliliter. You can tell I'm fucking tired. 3 milliliter jar of baby shampoo to wash your lashes. And tomorrow, I'll be back to put the lip wands in there so they can like actually use it to like wash their lashes or whatever. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Alright, y'all, so it is now 2 days later. Technically it's 3 days later, but that's fine or whatever. It is Saturday at, I don't have my glasses on. Oh, it's 2:24 in the morning, and I'm about to finish packaging these lash kits. My other stuff came in the mail today. I just got some microfiber swabs, and no, it came in like yesterday or Thursday. I don't know. It came in the mail whatever day after I started the kits. And then I have, wait, no, I'm missing something. Okay, there it is. So I have pink lip wands also to go in the bags. And that's really all I'm going to put in there. I'm just going to do the lip wands instead of the microfiber swabs because I didn't realize how tiny these are. Like, I thought these were bigger than that. I don't know why. It literally says in the name microfiber, but in my head it just didn't, 2 and 2 didn't come together. So whatever. So I just decided, because these have more surface area, to give these to my clients and then keep these for myself. I don't really use my lip ones as much. I feel like the microfiber ones are going to be better for sealing and adding primer anyways compared to these, and these would be good for like removal. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm tired as fuck, but we're gonna finish this out so I can cross this off my to-do list. All right, let's run tape. Okay, y'all, so I have just finished all of these, and then one of them, oh shoot, burst open. So now it's baby shampoo all in it, but I have this fat ass Amazon bag full of Aftercare kits. And this is what they look like. So it has 2 lip ones, the shampoo, 2 spoolies, and 2 business cards. Twos. So yeah, y'all, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys be safe, make good decisions, wear your mask, and please don't forget to vote. I love you guys so much. Bye.